What is going on, YouTube? How you guys doing? I know the sound quality is a lot different. That is because my full aim X5 will not work with this phone, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It barely worked, to be honest, with the 14 Pro Max. I had to plug it in and out a couple times to get it to connect. It finally did. I tried that with my 15 Pro Max. So I wanted you guys to see what this looks like in low light. Seems to be pretty damn good. Yeah, it's not bad at all in low light. But anyway, could not get it to work. It just will not work with my 15 Pro Max. So instead of something else I had planned on getting, looks like I will be getting the DJI mics. I've been watching videos now lately to see if the DJI mics actually work with the 15 Pro Max, if anybody's had any issues. And if you're watching this video and you have that set up, the DJI mic 2s or the mic 1s with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, please leave a comment below, because I don't want to buy it, be disappointed, because the full aim X5 I have works with every device except this one. This is the only one. And I was like, damn, I really don't want to buy another wireless microphone system. And I mean every other camera, my Osmo Action 2, the original Pocket 1 with the little adapter, of course. What other mic cameras I got? Oh, my Sony ZV-1, the Sony a6400, and then all my other cell phones, the Pixel, the Z Flip 4. It doesn't work though with the Surface Duo. It doesn't work with that one. But all the other ones, it seems to work well. But man, I'm impressed though. This 15 Pro Max at night, it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm gonna see what I can do with the microphone sound in post. It may sound a little different than the original. I may have to pick the volume up some, the gain, to get it up to an adequate level so you guys can hear me clearly. But that really does suck. But I just wanted to share this with you guys, show you what it looks like in low light. I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there showing low light, but this is a good indication for you guys who are thinking about picking up this device, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, at night in low light without the wireless microphone. All right, guys, just a quick video. I got some more videos coming about this phone, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Other than that, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your night.